Hello everyone. Welcome back to Growth Finance channel. In this video, I will be guiding us on how to make money through ads. Using Google Adsense to monetize your website or app traffic with display ads is one of the simplest and most effective monetization methods. However, although it's a relatively simple concept, you need to understand some specifics for success. In this video, we'd like to show you how to start making money with Google Adsense. Keep in mind that we'll only be focusing on AdSense and optimizing your ads. We're not going to discuss creating a website that generates traffic. To effectively use this guide, you'll already need a website that's generating traffic, or you should be busy building one. What is Google Adsense and how does it work? AdSense is an ad network that connects publishers and advertisers. Publishers connect their websites to the ad network, thereby allowing advertisers to bid for displaying their ads on those websites. If a website visitor clicks or views an ad, the publisher gets paid a specific portion of the advertiser's bid for the ad. Google takes the difference as the fee. How big is Google Adsense? Google Adsense is a large and widely used advertising platform that allows websites to display ads and earn revenue through the Google Adsense program. According to Google, AdSense is used by millions of websites and has delivered billions of ad impressions to users around the world. AdSense is part of the Google Advertising Network, which is one of the largest and most widely used advertising networks in the world. The Google Advertising Network includes a variety of products and services, including AdWords, AdMob, and DoubleClick, which allow advertisers to reach users on a variety of platforms, including the Google search engine, Google Maps, and other websites and apps. Overall, Google Adsense is a significant player in the online advertising industry, with a large and diverse network of publishers and advertisers. It is an important source of revenue for many websites and continues to be a popular choice for advertisers looking to reach a wide audience. Benefits of using Google Adsense. Easy to use. Google Adsense is easy to use and requires minimal setup. Publishers simply need to sign up for an account, add the AdSense code to their website, and choose the types of ads they want to display. Wide range of ad formats. Google Adsense offers a wide range of ad formats, including text, displayed video, and mobile ads, which allows publishers to choose the ad format that best fits their needs. Customization options. Publishers can customize the appearance of their ads to match the look and feel of their website, making the ads more seamless and less intrusive for users. Comprehensive reporting. Google Adsense provides comprehensive reporting tools that allow publishers to track the performance of their ads and make data-driven decisions about their ad campaigns. Global reach. Google Adsense has a global reach with advertisers from around the world using the platform to reach a wide audience. This can help publishers monetize their traffic and earn more revenue. Multiple payment options. Google Adsense offers multiple payment options, including electronic bank transfer, check, and wire transfer. Transfer, making it easy for publishers to receive their earnings. Overall, Google Adsense is a valuable tool for publishers looking to monetize their website traffic and earn revenue from their content. Google is very particular about who they allow in their ad network. They want to keep the quality of websites high and maintain the integrity of their ad network. You need to comply with the Google program policies, but we also recommend a few additional requirements to ensure you get accepted. This includes having a website with at least 30 pages of unique content. That's 3 months old and generating some traffic. The more traffic your website generates, the better and the higher your earning potential. How long does your AdSense account take to get approved? Usually, publishers get accepted within 24 to 48 hours, but it can even take up to 1 to 2 weeks to get approved. Different types of AdSense ads. Once you are approved, you're ready to start running AdSense ads and generate ad revenue. Before you do that, it's best to understand the different types of ad units. There are 5 different types of AdSense ad units. These include display, in-feed, in-article, matched content, and link ads. Display ads. Typical display ad units that are responsive and fit in most screen sizes. These ads work well almost anywhere. This type of ad can be responsive and automatically adapt to the screen size of the device where it's being served. It can also be configured to have fixed sizes and is compatible with AMP, accelerated mobile pages. In feed ads, native ads that fit in a feed, sidebar, or list. It flow naturally and provides a better user experience. In article ads, native ads that fit within the content of an article without disrupting the reading experience. Matched content ads, ads that recommend your website content to users, which help increase page use, user time on page, and their potential to click on your ads. Link ads, ads in a text link format that can be responsive or with a fixed size. It displays topics relevant to your page content. Creating your first AdSense ad unit. Ad unit refer to the advertisement space within a specific web page or mobile app where you display your ads. To do so, you first need to create an ad unit and then add the code wherever you want that ad displayed within your website. Creating your first ad unit is relatively easy, and we recommend that you start with display ads. There are many ways of adding ad units to your website. Depending on the website platform you use, you might need to edit the website code to add your ad units. Some platforms have built-in functionality that supports ads and make it a lot easier to add your ad unit code. With platforms like WordPress, you can make use of various plugins, website widgets, and sideways settings through themes to display your ads. You can find out about the multiple ways of implementing ad code here. Success with Google AdSense. Success doesn't happen overnight. Give the system time to adapt and show you its potential. It takes at least a couple of weeks for the numbers to start climbing if you are doing the right thing. Doing the right thing means you comply with the policies. Your ads are highly viewable. IAB recommends at least 70% viewability. You publish high quality and engaging content, which results in longer session duration. You don't flood your site with too many ads. You make changes one at a time and monitor the impact on performance. When deploying changes, your goal is to find out which of them has negative versus positive results. If you don't have the discipline and you launch an army of changes at once, if something goes wrong, there's no way you can pinpoint which one caused it. During the initial launch, give it time, at least 2 weeks. Once the numbers are fully adjusted, go ahead and experiment with your ad optimization strategies. A few things to consider optimizing or experimenting with. Ad placements. Check out our guide to ad placements here. Ad size is ad format or colors, number of ads per page, auto ads on versus off. Running AdSense is backfill on Google Ad Manager to compete in real time with other demand partners you have in your stack. Running AdSense hard-coded. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Thanks for watching.